The Synchrony Car Care credit card is built for anyone who wants a dedicated way to handle car related expenses from repairs and new tires to gas, all across more than 1 million locations nationwide. The standout feature here is the 6 months of promotional financing on purchases of $199 or more, letting users make essential auto purchases now and pay them off over time without interest, as long as the balance is paid off fully within that 6 month window. That flexibility can come in handy when a big car repair pops up unexpectedly or during times when cash flow is tight because it gives some breathing room without immediately piling on interest. There's no annual fee to worry about, which definitely adds to the appeal for budget conscious users. And of course, having zero fraud liability is a core feature, giving peace of mind for purchases whether at a corner gas station or during a late night emergency tow. The card can be used anywhere in the country that handles car care and almost any gas brand, so keeping a car running is a lot more convenient. Online account access and customizable alerts help stay on top of payments and activity, which is good for managing credit and avoiding any unwanted surprises. But while the Synchrony Car Care credit card offers the kind of short-term financing that can smooth out those big bills, it's not quite as forgiving as credit cards that offer a true 0% APR for a longer period or on all purchases. The promotional financing here only kicks in on $199 plus transactions, so everyday small purchases won't benefit and may rack up interest at a high APR, which as of July 2024 is a steep 34.99%. That's a lot higher than most mainstream cards, and if a payment is missed, the penalty APR climbs even higher, up to 39.99%. On top of that, there can be promo fees if you take the equal payment, no interest option for 18 months or more, which is something to double check in the fine print. So, for anyone who doesn't pay off the balance in time, the interest charges can really pile up and make that interest-free deal disappear fast. The card does make it easy to request a credit limit increase, and there are perks like exclusive discounts and easy monthly payments. But the flexibility of the card is limited compared to standard credit cards you can use anywhere on anything and for broader financial needs. This card really shines when used strictly for auto expenses and as long as the balance is managed and paid down before the promo window closes. It's perfect for someone who just wants help budgeting and covering car costs, but not so much for general spending or long-term debt management. So in summary, the Synchrony Car Care credit card is an attractive fit for car owners who want a specialized tool for managing those often hefty automotive expenses without any annual fee. The 6 months of no interest financing on larger purchases and nationwide acceptance make maintenance and emergencies far easier to handle. However, it's critical to stay disciplined. Missed payments or carrying a balance after the promotional period ends can lead to very high interest fees, quickly negating the benefits. As with any credit product, it's best to use this card with care and always plan to pay off those big ticket items within the no interest window to avoid the pitfall of expensive finance charges.